In this video, you will learn 4 ways to apply the sum formula. Click on the cell in which you want to sum all the values and click Home tab and click Auto Sum and then press Enter. In this way, all the values will be automatically selected and totaled. Method number 2. Click on the cell in which you want to sum all the values and click Home tab and select Sum from drop down list and then press Enter. In this way, also all the value will be sum. Method number 3. Press Alt plus is equal to from your keyboard and then press Enter. Doing this, it will be calculated. And number 4 is insert sum formula. For this, type is equal to sum, press tab and select all the value you want to calculate them and close the bracket and then press enter. In this way, you can also calculate the total of all of them. Thank you so much for watching this video.